Hi everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. So today I'm really excited to be bringing you the April Detox box, and this box is a bit different from the other boxes I've received, so I'm super excited to be sharing it with you. I'll go into the theme of the box and explain why it's a bit different in just a moment. I do want to say a couple of things. So first off, I am always really grateful that the Detox Market sends me the Detox box every month, so I can review it and share it with you guys. But especially right now, I'm really grateful. I've never taken it for granted, especially being a small channel. Whenever any brand sends me PR, it really, means a lot to me. And especially just right now, I was really looking forward to receiving this month's box because it really gave me something to look forward to, because honestly, I have been social distancing for about a month now. And so this box really gave me something to look forward to. And I hope if you are subscribed to the box, you feel the same way about it as well. I'm going to mention this now, and I'm going to try and keep mentioning this in videos coming up where I receive products, as in they were mailed to me, they got to me via the mail. I am a scientist. I don't know how many of you know that, but I do have my PhD in chemistry. I'm not a biochemist, but being a chemist and going through that much schooling in chemistry means I've taken a lot of science courses. So even though my background's in chemistry, I've covered biology, physics, math, just kind of the whole gamut of different, science related courses. And one of the things I want to say is my husband and I are both scientists, and we treat every single item that comes into our home as if it might be contaminated. So that means we wash and clean everything. We wash our hands after touching anything. That includes mail, packages, groceries, anything like that. So I know a lot of brands I've seen on their Instagrams, I've seen in their emails, are taking a lot of precautions to make sure when they pack you up products and ship them to you, that they are, keeping them as sanitary and germ-free as possible. However, I also recommend on your own to make sure that you wash every single product that comes into your home, be it using some sort of disinfectant or soap and water. That also works really well, but everything should be cleaned. I want to make sure you guys are staying safe. And that is what I did with all these products. And the box I picked up in the beginning of the video actually happens to be last month's Detox box. I did put it in recycling, but I did discard this month's Detox box immediately because of having gone through the mail. It could have picked up germs on it, so I'm just gonna say that, put that out there, but I will be mentioning that in all my videos. So just make sure to take precautions. I know it's easy for me to think about these things because as a scientist, I'm trained to think about things like contamination and cross-contamination, but I also recommend you thinking about that as well, because I want all of you to stay healthy and safe. So that being said, all of that being said, now let's jump into the April box. So April happens to be Earth Month. Earth Day is in April, so the box this month is themed with Earth Day in mind. Instead of having a couple of products from one brand as past Detox boxes have done, instead this month there is a variety of different products from a variety of different brands, but it's all themed around sustainability and sustainable swaps of products. So I'm actually really excited about this. I've been trying to do a lot of swaps in my own life to make my own lifestyle more sustainable, and I'm really excited for you guys to see these products and try them out, because I think these are really awesome options, and I really applaud Detox Market for putting together this box. I have to say, out of all these products, I've only actually tested one out. I'm trying to film and post this video as quickly as possible for you guys, so my whole plan is I'm actually filming this video today and then trying to post it tonight. So I didn't get to try out all the products. But the first one is one that I actually almost purchased, and then it came in this month's box, so I'm really glad I didn't pick it up. And that is the brand new Audacity shampoo bar. I don't know if you saw, but Audacity released a shampoo bar. And the whole idea behind this is it's like a bar soap. I actually haven't opened it, so here I can unbox it with you guys. Here's what the bar looks like. It looks like a bar of soap, obviously, but you do use it to shampoo your hair. I have been using a different shampoo bar. It's by the brand Be Kind. I talked about that actually in my March favorites video, which I will link up above, but I really have been enjoying that product. And when I saw Audacity launch this product, I was really excited to try it out. I haven't had a chance to try it yet, but I imagine it'll work quite well. And honestly, the scent of this is incredible. I'm not sure what the scent is. I'm really bad at describing scents, but I do absolutely love how this smells, and I really like the idea behind a shampoo bar because it eliminates the plastic of having a bottle of shampoo, and also it's super travel friendly. If you, obviously we're not traveling right now, but when we can travel again, you can pack this up and bring it with you and you don't have to worry about storing it in your liquids bag. So this is a product I wanted to test out, and I'm super excited that it came in this month's box, because I think this will be a really awesome product. The value of the shampoo bar is $29. I will keep you updated in the May detox box unboxing about my thoughts on this product. So the next product is one that I've been interested in for a while. I've had my eye on, but I haven't picked up because it's a really expensive product. And that is a BKR, I guess you'd probably say a beaker, water bottle, and I love this. So this is pink and spiky. It's kind of ridiculous, but I also love it. And I've been super into pink. It actually matches my nails like almost perfectly. This is a glass water bottle, and I like the whole idea of the beaker water bottles where it has this kind of silicone protection on the outside so you don't have to worry about breaking it. There are different colors of the bottle, so you may end up with a different bottle. And obviously it is a refillable water bottle that happens to be glass. So I'm really excited to be using this, although I have to say this probably will not be traveling with me to work. Once I am going back to work, I do carry a water bottle with me because I try and drink a lot of water throughout the day. Personally, I found that it's helped a lot with my migraines. I guess I was just deficient on water most of my life, and I've been drinking a lot more water, and actually it's helped me with getting fewer migraines, which is incredible because, you know, fewer migraines is always a plus. But this water bottle is quite wide physically. I don't know if you can see this, and so it won't actually fit in the slot where my water bottle holder is, but I think I will be keeping this at home. That way I can fill it up and carry it around with me, because honestly, now that I've been staying home more, I've actually been having a hard time drinking water just because I've gotten off of my like usual routine. So I think this will be my home water bottle, and I really think it's cute. I like it, and I like having a water bottle at home. That way I don't worry about like knocking it over or anything like that. It's just easier to carry around with me than a glass of water. Oh, and also to make this even better, this is dishwasher safe on the top rack, which I'm also a fan of anything I can put in the dishwasher. So the value of the water bottle is $42, which is why I haven't picked one up previously, but I'm very happy to own one now. Okay, so the next product is a deodorant. This is from the brand Meow Meow Tweet, and this is their baking soda free deodorant stick, and this is in the scent Rose Geranium. This is in a totally biodegradable packaging, which is super cool because most deodorants come in like some sort of plastic packaging, so this can just be totally, I could probably, yeah, it can be composted. So it can be either put in your trash and it'll biodegrade, or if you have a compost, you could compost it. I want to say I tried a Meow Meow Tweet deodorant like 2-ish years ago. I could be wrong. It's been a long time. I did try this out this morning. I do like it's a stick. We all know I'm not the biggest fan of potted deodorant, but I do enjoy that this is a stick and I was able to just rub it on. My memory of the deodorant is that it worked pretty well. It just didn't work as well as some of the other deodorants I tried. I do sweat a lot. I have to have a very heavy duty deodorant, but I am happy to be trying this out again. I actually just ran out of my Ursa Major deodorant, so it was the perfect time for this one to arrive. So I am testing this out. So far, I put it on this morning. It's the afternoon now. I'm not too sweaty, not too sticky, not smelling. So it is working so far. I'll keep using it and see how it works. Also, the scent of this is pretty strong. It's definitely got a pretty strong geranium scent, so hopefully you like that scent. And the value of this deodorant stick is $14. The next product is one that I also have been looking at but haven't actually picked up before. This is a Baggu reusable tote, and I'm actually really excited about getting this as well because this is a super compact tote. As you can see, it's like all folded up here, and I'm really excited about it because Boston actually doesn't allow for plastic bags. If you do need to use a bag when you're shopping, you actually have to pay for it. So I think that's really cool, but what it means is that if I go anywhere, I need to be bringing a bag with me, and this is perfect because it is so compact. I can easily fit it in my purse, in my work bag. So I definitely will be using this when I'm going out into the world and, you know, doing things again. And the value of this bag is $12. And also, the idea behind this bag too is that it's Very sturdy and can hold a lot of weight, which is always good too. Sometimes I worry about my canvas totes, especially with the handles and how much weight I can put in them before I'll run into a structural integrity issue. So I really like that this one is definitely geared towards being really heavy duty. The next product is one that I've heard a lot about but haven't actually tried out, and this is the David's toothpaste. So the reason this is included in the box is it does come in an aluminum tube, so you can actually recycle the tube when you're done, which is really cool. I'm not 100% sure I'm going to be testing this out. The reason I've not tried this toothpaste so far is because it doesn't contain fluoride. I talked about this briefly on my channel. I've looked into it. I've made my own decision. I use toothpaste with fluoride in it. I think that's really important for dental health. I think I will hold on to this and pass this on to somebody else, but if you're into this, this is a really great option. Like I said, I've heard a lot of really positive things about David's toothpaste. I just haven't tried it out because I choose to use toothpaste with fluoride in it. Okay, and then the final product is this FETE bamboo toothbrush. So this is really nice because if you use a regular, I was gonna say a non-automatic, a regular toothbrush, this is a great option because it's made from bamboo, so it's a lot more sustainable, a lot more environmentally friendly. I actually use an electric toothbrush, which isn't great because you do have to throw away the plastic heads. Once again, I try and make those changes in my life where I can. I don't want to sacrifice the health of my teeth, and so I choose to use an electric toothbrush. That's what works for me and my dental concerns. So I probably also will pass this along, but I do think this is really cool. And if you aren't using an electric toothbrush, this is a great option. Sorry, I forgot to mention the value of the toothpaste is $9.95 and the value of the toothbrush is $4.99. So overall this month, it's got a really great variety of products. I feel like it's got something for everyone. Let me know in the comment section down below. Do you like this box? Do you think this is a cool idea? Do you think it's exciting? I certainly do. Let us know in the comment section down below. And if you're interested in subscribing, if you want to use one of my affiliate links, I would greatly appreciate that. It doesn't add any additional cost to you. It just helps to support Naturally Beautiful Girl. So now I'm going to go ahead and give you some more thoughts on the products in the March Detox box. So the March Detox box featured the brand Inner Sense. So I got to try out a whole bunch of their hair care products. And first I want to start off by talking about their shampoo and conditioner. So I have been using both these and really enjoying them. I feel like the shampoo does a great job of cleaning my hair and getting it really clean. It's not overly stripping. It's not overly moisturizing. This, by the way, is the Pure Harmony Hair Bath. And I just really like it. I've been enjoying it. We'll definitely keep using it. Same thing with the conditioner. I have the Pure Inspiration Daily Conditioner, which I find is just a really good all-around conditioner. Does a great job of conditioning my hair, but doesn't weigh it down. I'm really happy with both of these products and really glad that I was introduced to the brand. And then the next product we got was the Inner Sense Sweet Spirit Leave-In Conditioner. I've mainly been using this kind of as a detangler, and honestly, I find it works really well. One time I did put a little bit too much of this product in my hair and it definitely weighed it down. If I am careful and don't get carried away with it, it definitely does a nice job of just conditioning my hair a little bit more. Makes my hair easy to comb through, which is really all I ask for. I keep forgetting to try it to refresh my ends. Hopefully now that I'm sitting down and talking about this, it'll remind me to try that, but I do think this is a really nice product, and it's probably gonna take me a really long time to go through this whole bottle because it's huge and I only have to use a little bit of the product, especially because my hair is not super long. But who knows, by the end of this, by the time I can actually go get a haircut, my hair might be really long. So definitely a nice product to have on hand. The product I was super curious about was the dry shampoo, and I do have more thoughts about this. So remember, this is a dry shampoo that's like a liquid that you massage into your hair. It's not actually a powder dry shampoo. And I have mixed thoughts about this. So I do have really oily hair, and this works really well for me on the first day. So I wash my hair, and then the next day, I guess day 2, the first day of my hair being dirty, day 2 from when I washed my hair, this product does a good job of helping to combat the oil. I can add a little bit more volume into my hair. However, after that first day of my hair being dirty, then I need to go in with a powder dry shampoo. This just won't cut it with my hair being really oily. I need something more heavy duty. It works when it's a little bit oily. Once the oil really starts building up, this just isn't enough for me. I think this product would work really well for you if you had not as oily of hair, or if you wash your hair more frequently. So if you wash your hair like every other day, and if you just need this to then use in between washes, that would work. Or if your hair just doesn't get as oily, this would work well. But for me and the amount of oil that I have, I don't find that this alone cuts it. So probably not a product I would repurchase just for that reason. I'd rather have a dry shampoo that's kind of the whole, runs the whole gamut of days for me. However, I do find that it's a lot easier to get this out of my hair when I go to wash my hair than a traditional powder dry shampoo. So there is that benefit. But for me and just how oily my hair is, it doesn't quite cut it. And then the final product is the InnerSense Eye Create Waves. And the last time when I filmed this video, I hadn't had a chance to try this product out yet, and I have now. So I have gone ahead and tested this out, and I do really like it. It's got a lovely scent. I mean, all the InnerSense products have a really nice scent. But I did find that I sprayed this in my hair and then braided my hair, which is how I normally style my hair when I use a sea salt spray. It gave me really beautiful waves. The waves lasted well in my hair, which is really what I'm looking for too with a sea salt hairspray. So really, this worked really well. It didn't leave my hair too sticky, too crunchy, so I like it. I think it's a really good sea salt hairspray, and especially the summer, because I typically wear my hair in waved more in the summer. I'll probably be reaching for this product a lot more, but I definitely like it and I'm looking forward to using it. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed hearing about the April detox box, and also hearing my thoughts on the March detox box. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check me out on Instagram. I'm at naturallybeautifulgirl to see more of me and my content on there. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!